If you ever use a social media website like Facebook or Instagram, you have no problem following this comprehensive tutorial and ranking your first website on Google for your target keywords with no technical knowledge required. Seriously, more after the intro. What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you want to get certified in. I could personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. So even if you have never made a YouTube video or designed your own website before, this training will show you how to do it all starting from scratch. Not only can everything in this training be done with very little or zero budget, much of the process can be automated, meaning you can immediately start selling your new skills as a service to others. What you will learn in this tutorial in this online course will be how to identify your target customers, how to analyze your competitors' website, how to set up and manage a YouTube channel, how to find and develop relevant keywords, how to optimize content for social media, and how to build and optimize your website. So don't let anyone tell you that there's a hack you can use to trick the latest Google algorithms. The reality is there are no shortcuts when it comes to ranking numero uno on Google in 2021. The truth be told is, if you want to show up on page 1 of search results, content need to be better, in other words, or higher quality than the content currently ranking number 1. This online training will show you not only how to create better content, but also how to properly optimize it so that the search engine will find and index it automatically. If your goal is to increase the flow of traffic to your business for the long term, starting with organic white hat SEO should be a no-brainer. Why risk getting your site penalized or worse, erased from Google altogether by gambling on sketchy shortcuts? Instead, understanding how to use an effective search engine optimization strategy will have you focusing in on creating content that is not only optimized for search engine, but also optimized for engaging human visitors. Simply put, modern SEO is not just about getting people to your website, but keeping them on your page and convincing them to buy. So even if you're using digital media content, that should be optimized as well. You have to understand, these days, SEO requires much more than choosing a relevant domain, using the correct keywords on your website or landing page. Now, properly optimizing content for search engine like Google begins with creating the content itself. Articles, photos, audio and video, and digital media hosted on blogs and social media accounts can rank on Google by themselves if properly optimized. This online course will show you how to take advantage of this and drive up the authority and ranks of your website. Many thanks for taking some time to check out this quick tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification course page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these certification courses as well that's floating around right here. Hope to catch you on the next tutorial. Many thanks once again. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.